If you want to get more paid newsletter subscribers for your Beehiiv newsletter, you must be able to track and at least test optimizing for purchases in Facebook ads. So that's why in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to implement purchase Facebook ad tracking for a Beehiiv newsletter, so that way you can get more paid newsletter subscribers for a much lower cost, hopefully, when you would optimize for a lead event or subscribe event or sign up event. Because when you show or you tell Meta what exactly you want, there's a higher chance Meta algorithm will get you. So if you, let's say, optimize for subscribers, Meta will get you the lowest cost of subscribers. They're not necessarily going to be paid subscribers, they're not necessarily going to be good subscribers. And yes, you can control all of that with your creative and your landing page and all of that stuff. But the biggest thing is also the event you're optimizing for. So this is not always gonna work, and it depends how much data you already have. But I would definitely suggest you to implement this tracking as soon as possible, so that even if you're not running ads, so that when you're running ads, you'll be able to have that data and give that data to Meta and optimize for purchases. So without further ado, let's get right into the video where I'll show you exactly how to do it and how to actually set up a campaign in Meta as well. Alright, so the first thing you need to do, if you haven't done, is you have to set up your Meta tracking. Right, here's a good video recorded by Beehiiv, and I'll include the link in the description. So once you do that, once you do all of that, you're gonna have your Google Tag Manager, you're gonna have your ad account, you're gonna have your Events Manager opened. And so essentially in Google Tag Manager, what you have to do is you have to add a trigger. You have to add the paid upgrade trigger. So you can create, click new, and then set up like the trigger. It's going to be a custom event. So essentially it would be event name, page path contains upgrade. So you could create new, trigger configuration, go to custom event, click add form submit event, make sure it's exactly like this, and then you would want to click on some custom events, and then here page URL contains upgrade or page path, and then you'd save it, and you can rename it as a paid upgrade trigger. So let me just kind of show you how it's set up. Yeah, so it's page path contains upgrade. So it means that whenever somebody's gonna submit the form on the in the Beehiiv's page that contains this upgrade, then this trigger will fire. So this is the first thing you need to do. Then another thing is you're gonna make sure you have all these variables, but then you would just add one tag, and that tag would be purchase tag. So it'd be exactly like you've set up the subscribe event, but now the trigger would be a different trigger. So, and also you would have your event being a purchase event, not subscribe event. And that's pretty much it. So I can kind of show you how it's set up from scratch. So you click new, you would rename it to purchase, and click on tag configuration. So find Facebook pixel, add this, and then you would add your pixel ID. If you created a variable, you can click on here and select meta pixel as a variable, and then you change the standard event to purchase, and then you enable advanced matching, and here you would add where it says custom information data parameters. You want to add email, and then parameter name, DLV email, so data layer variable email. And this is all good, you don't have to change anything here. And then trigger, as a trigger would be the paid upgrade trigger, and then you would hit save. So that's kind of how it's done. We've already done it here. So yeah, this is it's pretty much all the same. So, and now once you do that, you want to make sure you submit the changes. A very important step. Somebody told me, somebody was like, oh, I've set it up, it doesn't work. And so they didn't submit the change. So, which is fine. I mean, we all, like, it's Google Tag Manager is kind of tricky in that regard. So you submit the change. Once you do that, you want to go to Events Manager, and you want to go to data sources, and you want to test and make sure that the event is actually firing and it's working properly. So you want to go to test events, website, and then confirm your website events are set up correctly. And then here you would type in Growth Catalyst Club, subscribe, and we can test it right now. So or Andrew test server.com, join. So we see all these events are firing. We can just click later and we should be on the upgrade page, and we are. Now we're gonna sign up for the upgrade, subscribing to our own premium newsletter, and see the purchase event fired. This is working, and we landed on a thank you page. So if you wanted to, and this is, by the way, this is done through Google Tag Layer, Layer partner integration. So actually somehow it tracked subscribe twice, but the most important thing is it tracked your purchase event. So that's the thing. And so if you wanted to actually optimize for these, so you wanted to create a campaign specifically to get paid subscribers, right? You can take the best performing ad from your Meta current campaign, or actually create new ads or new campaigns specifically for paid newsletter upgraders. And so you go with manual sales campaign, and on the ad set level, you can select website, right? You would select website, you would select pixel, so Growth Catalyst Club here, and then you would select conversion event, purchase. And that would mean Meta will optimize for the right event, the purchase event, and will get you people that are most likely to purchase. So that's it. Hope you found it useful, and see you in the next one. If you got this far in the video, you have everything you need to be able to optimize for a purchase event in Meta Ads Manager and track those purchases, and hopefully get more newsletter signups that are quality, that convert to paid for a much lower cost than you're currently getting, or that you would get otherwise if you wouldn't do this. So if you want to work with my team directly to handle all your newsletter growth, completely done for you, go check out the first link down below in the video description and book a call with me to see if we can help you and if we're a good fit to work together. And if you found this video helpful and valuable, please drop a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.